Reasons of sleeplessness. Sleeplessness means having a hard time falling asleep. It makes you feel tired and sleepy during the day because you didn't get enough rest. It can be caused by things like stress, bad habits, or health issues. Here are 5 common reasons for lack of sleep explained. Number 1. Stress and worry. When we're stressed or worried about something, our minds keep racing even when we want to sleep. This can make it hard to relax and fall asleep. Number 2. Uncomfortable environment. If our sleeping environment isn't comfortable, like if it's too hot or too noisy, it can disrupt our sleep and make it difficult to stay asleep. Number 3. Bad habits. Sometimes, our own habits can interfere with our sleep. Things like drinking caffeine or looking at screens, like phones or computers, before bed can make it harder to fall asleep. Number 4. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, like insomnia, sleep apnea, or restless leg syndrome, can make it difficult to get a good night's sleep. Number 5. Irregular schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times each day can confuse our body's internal clock, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up feeling rested.